Here is the best payment method that can guarantee you secure and safe on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. There are so many numerous payment methods, but before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Taobao Chinese shopping app or pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. You have Taobao Chinese shopping app, but you are very much confused about the best payment options or the best payment method that you can use for Taobao supplier as a means of payment. Consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see all the payment method in Taobao Chinese shopping app, and the best one for you so far is going to be recommended in this particular video. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app. I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Taobao shopping app. Then having opened up your Taobao Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you add your products to cart. And once you add your product to cart, next thing you need to do is simply click on here to view your cart. Then you're going to have all the products you had in your cart right here. Next thing you need to do is to select the one you want to pay for. So I'm going to select this one right here and this one right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, we can simply scroll down right here. Now here, you notice that there is another additional product right here. You are less concerned right here. This is just a promo by Taobao Chinese shopping app. So you don't need to add it, because if you click on here to add it to your product, they are going to charge you this amount. So simply exit from here and then scroll down right here. Now you have all available payment method in Taobao right here. Now the very first one here is different types of card right here. So Taobao accepts Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, JCB, Discovery, and Union Pay. You can simply click on here and then it's going to open up. Then right here, you have to make sure you enter your card detail. Okay, you can simply see everything right here. Here, you put your card number, card name, and card detail. So you can simply translate this particular sections right here. If you do not understand the language right here, it's as simple to translate. And for you to translate, simply make a screenshot. Then after make a screenshot, exit from your Taobao, then head over to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. Then create a new tab. Then I'm going to click on this icon right here. Then select translate. Then select the screenshots and translate to English right here. You can also click on here and change to whatever language you understand. So right here, I'm changing it to English language, so you have everything right here. So the card holder name, the first one, card holder name, card holder surname, validity period, that is the expire and the year, then CVV, 3 digits at the back of the card. Then go back to your Taobao right here and fill up the detail. Once you fill up the detail, turn on this particular button, which means that each time you want to make a payment to your supplier, the card will be automatically selected. Then once you click on that, click on here. After you have entered all detail, this particular icon here is going to be able. Then you can simply enable it. Then from here, you have added your bank card into the Taobao payment platform. Another means of payment or method of payment here is your Alipay. Now, if you don't have these options, or you have tried these options and this method does not work for you, it is the best options for you here is to switch to Alipay right here. So select Alipay. Once you select Alipay, the price is going to change from USD into Chinese yen, just like what you see right here. You can see everything has changed. Then you can simply scroll down right here and simply make payment by clicking on this particular icon right here, and you will be connected with your Alipay. Then once you connect with your Alipay, enter your payment password and the payment is going to be done successfully. Alternatively, you can use pay for me options. So select on pay for me options right here, and then this allow you to send a pay for me option to a friend that can simply make the payment for you. Once you select a pay for me option, simply click on here to proceed and enter the detail of the particular person that want to make payment for you on Taobao Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. So if you are a foreigner and you find it difficult to pay with your Visa card or MasterCard, or the card has been rejected, it is advisable that you make use of your Alipay, or better still, you make use of Pay for Me Friend on Taobao Chinese shopping app. And the very last one here, I'm going to simply go back. The very last payment options here is WeChat Pay right here, just like what you see right here. So if you don't have MasterCard or Visa card, or all your card is not being rejected, and you do not have Alipay as a means of payment, you can simply hop to WeChat Pay right here. When you select a WeChat Pay, it's going to change the product price to yen, because Chinese is also the controller of Alipay and the WeChat right here. So the two options here are main traditional payment gateway in China, while the first option here is meant for foreigners, that is card. So once you choose card, you are going to see every product here in USD price, and by default self, you get to see everything in USD. That's simple. So these are the best payment. These are the payment methods that are available right now in your Taobao Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial about Taobao, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.